With these simple steps, you can make the game development process as simple and streamlined as possible and finally finish your project. In this video you'll learn how to program a game without any coding skills. I'll show you how to design your game in just a few clicks. How to quickly and easily create the basic structure of your game story and dialogues. And even create custom soundtracks in minutes. Don't miss this revolutionary way to bring your game ideas to life. We all know the major pain of indie game development. Little or no budget. Fortunately, this problem is now partially solved. You do not need to spend money on a writer, programmer or artists. You'll have neural networks, which will do anything for you. Writing a story or dialogues. To write a quality story or dialogues, always need a good writer. And for a good specialist, you have to pay well. What if I told you there was a way to get a quality story or dialogues for your game without breaking the bank? Now, your screenwriter is ChatGPT, the artificial intelligence that will help you save thousands of dollars on scripting. Now I'll show you how to set up ChatGPT and get the most out of it for your project. Act like you're an expert writer for a game development industry. Write as a full-fledged scripting report of the aspect on industry. Nice. Now we have a base. Based on it, we're asking you write to ChatGPT a full-fledged story. Don't forget to include all the details you need, such as location, age, atmospheric or ETK. Design. Great game design is essential for any indie game. But hiring a professional designer can be expensive. But what if you could use the power of neural networks to create stunning visual for a game? Midjourney will help you create stunning UI, icons and illustration for your game. In just a few clicks you can create a design that is sure to impress your audience. Now we're going to create a UI design for our project. I want it to be in a dystopian style. Oh, why? That's just what we need. Now we take the image, fix it up a bit in Photoshop, add it to our project and voila! We have a complete UI design for our game. But what about the design of the project? For example, artwork or icons. Also we generate an image with Midjourney and a little magic and voila! Voila, guys! This way we save both time and money. Programming. As an indie game developer, you know that finding and acquiring a great programmer can be a huge problem. But what if you could partially solve this problem with artificial intelligence? Meet ChatGPT, your new programming assistant. With ChatGPT, you can generate code in any programming language and even solve simple programming tasks by yourself. Let's ask to generate C# code for opening doors using Unity libraries. At this point, ChatGPT will not completely replace your programmer, but I will definitely help you solve simple programming tasks at the junior level. Sound design. Music in your game is a very important attribute. It sets the basic atmosphere of the project, so it certainly should not save on it. But finding free music for commercial use is very difficult. We will use Well tool, as it uses ChatGPT language model, but you can use any other neural networks, for example SoundDraw or MuseNet. Let's quickly ask them to write some music for us. Add it to your discretion what you suggest neural network. Literally in 15 seconds we got this. And that's not all. I even used a neural network to create the music for this video. If you want to know more about how I did it and what tips I used for Midjourney, leave a comment below and I'll make a separate video just for you. Now making indie games won't require as much money and time thanks to neural network. You can easily simplify your own game development. And this I showed you just the tip of the iceberg. Thanks to neural networks you can already do much more.